When visibility drops, one name defines confidence at sea: Furuno Radar. For over 70 years, Furuno has set the gold standard in marine navigation, trusted by professional mariners, commercial fleets, and luxury yacht owners around the world. Whether cutting through fog off Maine or tracking squalls in the Caribbean, Furuno Radar delivers unmatched clarity, range, and reliability. At Concord Marine Electronics, we specialize in professional installation and full system integration. From the compact power of the Furuno DRS-4D NXT to the long-range precision of the Furuno FR-12 radar system, we tailor radar performance to your vessel's exact needs. Your command center comes to life with the Furuno NavNet TZT Touch 3, a touchscreen interface that unites radar, sonar, Jeeps, autopilot, and charts into one seamless experience. Control it all effortlessly with the Furuno MCU004 remote, designed for total bridge command without leaving your seat. And we don't stop at radar. We integrate Starlink Maritime, Crestron AV, AIS, and Garmin, transforming your bridge into a fully connected, intelligent network. At Concord, our NMEA-certified team ensures flawless installation, sea-tested calibration, and support that continues long after the dock. Furuno and Concord, trusted vision at sea, built for those who demand more.